With news of a third vaccine up for emergency approval, that's good news for supply and demand here in Louisiana. Medical leaders hope approval means increased access. As Mike McDaniel explains, vaccines are already helping with downward COVID trends, and one hospital on the North Shore is taking vaccines straight to schools.
It's perhaps the biggest challenge in getting a COVID vaccine to someone who needs it. There simply isn't enough to meet demand.
The state has struggled with getting in numbers of vaccine. That's the only thing that's been limiting us.
Dr. Bryan Miller with Our Lady of the Angels Hospital in Bogalusa hopes a new one-dose vaccine from Johnson & Johnson will help in that struggle.
I think that's a game changer.
The vaccine, which is being fast-tracked for emergency use, could be approved by the end of the week.
It's going to be easier to access vaccine.
If so, Dr. Joseph Cantor with the state health department expects anywhere from 37 to 38,000 doses in the state as early as next week.
There'll be more vaccine out there. We'll be able to do events. We'll be able to supply providers that we haven't been able to supply yet because of supply constraints.
Cantor says statewide about 13% of the population has at least started one of the two available vaccination series. He links that to declines in hospitalizations and new cases. In Region 9 on the North Shore, which includes Our Lady of the Angels Hospital, just more than 12% of the population has done the same.
I think the community is doing a good job of listening to everyone.
Miller wants to see vaccination rates even higher, so the hospital now has a vaccine team going to schools in Washington and St. Tammany parishes, delivering shots to teachers and school employees.
The sooner we can get to 70 to 80% of the population vaccinated, the sooner we can get back to some type of normalcy.
Even if a third vaccine shows up, Cantor says the demand will still be high, and there's concern about COVID variants spreading.
The first chance somebody has to get vaccinated, take that chance. Do not pass up that opportunity.
An opportunity medical leaders want everyone to have. Mike McDaniel, Eyewitness News.